So now come to question number 24. For any integer n, the value of 0 to pi e raised to power sin square x cos cube 2n plus 1 x dx is equal to. So here, see, this the kind of question for any integer x is asking. So put any simple value of x, you will get the idea. So let us put n is equal to 0. You can put 1, 3, 4, 5, any number. So this will be 0 to pi I e raised to power sin square x cos cube x dx. There is purpose or multiple. A minus x, if you apply the property, a minus x, pi minus x, whether it is 5, 7, anything, this will be always negative. So applying that 2a minus x property. So fx is equal to e raised to power sin square x cos qx. So f pi minus x, 2a minus e sin square x. This will be cos pi minus x will be in second quadrant. So minus cos qx. This will be minus fx. So this is if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus fx, then 0 to 2a, this will be 0. So answer will be 0. That property we are using, 0 to 2a fx is equal to 2 times 0 to a fx if f of 2a minus x is equal to fx, and this will be equal to 0 if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus fx. So it is minus fx, so answer will be 0. So C option will be correct.